How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill, you will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service to the business owners. So basically, we will work as a intermediate between the business owners and the freelancers in Fiverr, and we will take the money that will have between them. So for example, if you got paid $200 for a specific service from the business owner, we will go to Fiverr and pay the freelancer from $25 to $80 to do the service for us, and we will take what's left from that money. So let's get to it, guys, to show you how you can do that step by step. So first of all, go to the open Google Maps in your search, then search for United States. This is the market that we're going to work on. Then zoom in on the country, then choose a state or a city that you're going to apply the method to. So let's go for Texas as an example, and here zoom in on the city, and here let's go to the search and let's type some kind of a small business, for example hair salon or a hairdresser. For example, let's go with a hair salon, and here let's see what we've got. So first of all, the first rule you're going to follow in order to find the business owners that will be perfect for pitching or for sending a message to work with is the ones that has less than 100 reviews in their profile. So like this one, for example, he has 52 reviews. So here let's check his profile and let's see if he's got any bad reviews or if he doesn't have a website. That's what we're going to offer him. We're going to offer the service of removing bad reviews and the service of website creation. So here let's scroll down. This is his phone number. We're going to need it when we're going to send him a message or calling him directly. And here I think we will find some bad reviews. Let's scroll down to see. We have 5 stars. Let's click on more reviews. Wait for it to load. And here let's scroll down. We have 5-star reviews. Just keep scrolling down until you find a bad review, and that's what we're going to use in order to convince the owner to purchase our service. So here let's scroll down. Because it's very bad to have a bad review on your profile in Google Maps like this one. I'm in tears, and believe me, they aren't happy tears. This is the worst haircut I've ever gotten in my life. I'm sitting here in the floor with clippers in my hands, trying to work up the nerve to shave my head and start over. At this point, it almost feels like it was done out of spite. I'm devastated. I'm sorry you feel this way. So this is the owner responding to the review, which means the bad reviews are very disturbing to the business owners. I'm sorry you feel this way. You assured me your haircut was the best haircut you ever received when you left. So I'm not sure why the 1-star review. We could have remedied this at this shop. Please feel free to return so we can make the proper adjustments to your cut free of charge. So this is a very bad review that can take a lot of clients from you. So we can just take a screenshot of this review, and then when we send a message to the owner or when we call them, we're just going to mention this bad review and tell them that we can remove the bad review for them, and also we can help them get more good reviews. And here we found another disturbing review. Very disappointed. I'm scheduling a man haircut and then the employee canceled the phone. So this is another bad review that they would want to remove. Let's see if we can find another bad reviews, but I think that was it. Another one, I'm scheduling for man haircut and then the employee canceled the phone. So this is another bad review, and let's scroll down to see. So that was it with the bad reviews. So that's what we can use in order to convince the business owner to purchase our service. And in regarding the delivering of the service, you just go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing website you like to use. For me, I like to use fiverr.com, and here wait for it to load. Let's give it a few seconds, and here by scrolling down you will find freelancers like this who will do Google Maps business optimization, ranking in citation, ranking at Google Maps citation for local businesses, and he will cost $25. So you'll get paid from $100 to $200 from this hair salon, and then you will pay the freelancer $25, which will leave you with a good margin to put in your pocket. And then you will just multiply the method or the process with the other hair salons and the other small businesses that you can find. So the hardest thing in this method is getting the first client, and once you land that first client, then it will be very easy to get more clients like that. So just keep being disciplined, guys, and committed to this method, and make sure to always improve your pitch or the message you're sending, or to improve your calls if you're cold calling the clients directly from their number, as you can see like here. And also make sure to follow the rules that I showed you. Make sure to always choose the ones with less than 100 reviews, and also don't choose the ones that has sponsored their profile in the search. The sponsored ones, you will find them in the top of the search. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.